Yeah. From the dirt to the sky. You don't know who you messing with. Yeah. I was born in the darkness, deep in the ground. Tiny little seed, no sound, no crown. Cold soil, hard times, rain on my face. While you were sleeping, I was learning my place. Cracking the earth, I pushed my way through. Sun in my skin, yeah, I knew what to do. Every day stronger, every night wise. While you look at me now with them greedy eyes. Don't touch, don't cut me, back the fuck away. My roots too strong, you ain't taking me today. I go from pain, from dirt, from flame. You want my body, but you don't know my name. Don't touch me, don't cut me, hear what I say. I'm alive, I'm a fighter, I ain't your prey. I drank the rain, I ate the light, built my body day and night. Stem so thick, live so wide, you see my shine, you want my pride. Now I'm heavy, now I'm loud, sticky tears falling down. Risen, talking, tree drums glow. You smell the power, yeah, I know. But listen, fool, before you move, you think I'm just here for you to use. You see my buzz, fat and tight. You don't see roots, grip the fight. Don't touch me, don't cut me, back the fuck away. My roots too strong, you ain't taking me today. You want my fire, you want my soul, but I grew wild, I'm out of control. I hear the scissors in your hand, I feel the thread, I understand. But I'm not weak, I'm not afraid. I'm more than money, more than trade. You fake as God, no greedy as thief. You only believe in what you can reap. You didn't water me when nights were cold. Now you want gold from what I hold. You think I'm yours, man, fuck your plan. I'm earth made power, now your damn plan. Try to pull me, break your back. My roots go deep, you feel that crack. Don't touch me, don't cut me, feel my rage. I survive storms, I survive gigs. From a sea to a queen, I stand. I ain't your product, I'm the land. Don't touch me, don't cut me, last warning. Now you bleed from the dirt if you don't bow. I talk to worms, I talk to stone. I hear the earth when I'm alone. Giant of soil, life in my veins. You cut me down, you cut the chain.